Hello guys, so here is how to claim the Paws Airdrop to CX. Currently you have between Bybit exchange and Bitget exchange to claim to, and also the claiming to CX will be stopped by 16th of this month because they are going to be listing on the 18th of this month. So you have from now to 16th to decide which of these exchanges you want to claim to. And also, if you want to claim directly to your wallet, which will require you to have Solana coin as gas fee. So if you want to claim directly to your Phantom wallet, your Solana wallet, then you have to wait till on the 18th, the day of listing, before you can claim directly to your Solana wallet. Even though you can claim to to CX now, you will not get your allocation till listing day. Let me repeat that. Even though you can claim now to either Bybit or Bitget, you will not get your allocation till listing date. Like, the allocation will not be visible in your wallet till the day of listing. So the only difference between claiming to CX and DX is the gas fee. And I think I saw it somewhere where they said they are charging 3% as gas fee. I don't know how true is that, but I'll try to claim to Bybit now, and let's see if they will ask me to if they will tell me I'll be they will deduct 3% as gas fee. So I'll just proceed to claim now to Bybit exchange. And also guys, if you know that you found Privasea, this is it. The Privasea, I am a human airdrop. If you know you complete the verification, you found the airdrop from the app. The app airdrop has ended, but now they are having some tax on Intract quest rather. So you see the quest for Intract. I'm just trying to chip in this for those that found Privasea, because I don't want to make a different video about Privasea. So you see this Privasea quest on Intract is ending in 12 days. Take note. So I'll drop the link to participate in this quest on Intract. You see, follow Privasea on Twitter, join Privasea community. So if you complete all of this quest, you earn additional 800 Genesis star, which was the one we've been earning on the app. So this is like a bonus. If you found this airdrop on the app, you can see that the one we even earn on the app is kind of slow. But for completing just 5 tasks here, you are getting 800 star. 800 Genesis star. So after this countdown is when they will announce their listing and TGE. So that's for Privasea update. So if you found Privasea update, check the registration link, to proceed to complete this Intract task. This Privasea last drip, the road to TGE. Take notes. For those that found this, check the link to participate in this Intract task and complete these 5 tasks to get additional 800 Genesis star, so that you earn more. After this is the TGE, just 12 days. So take note of that. So now let's go back to the Paws Airdrop. For the Paws, you have to log in. Come to TG dashboard, and you log in your Web3 wallet, your Phantom wallet. So I'll just click on proceed. Then I'll click on claim. So I'm seeing PAWS token airdrop terms and conditions have reached. Let's continue. So that's true. Okay. Claim PAWS withdrawal option. Centralized exchanges, 3% withdrawal fee. Let me do mathematics. On-chain withdrawal will be available later. Like I said earlier, I saw it somewhere that 3% withdrawal fee. So if you are claiming to either Bybit or Bitget, they are charging you 3% withdrawal fee. If you are claiming to your wallet, it will be available on TGE, which is on the 18th of this month of March 2025. So for this on-chain withdrawal, there will be no withdrawal fee apart from the gas fee. Solana gas fee you will be paying. So now calculating 3% withdrawal fee, just calculate 3% of whatever you are having in your wallet, and you'll be able to get how much they will charge. Let me calculate 3 over 100. That's 0.3 times 10,700. So they'll charge me 3 for myself. They'll charge me 321 tokens as withdrawal. What's going to be the listing price for them to want to charge this 3% withdrawal fee? I don't know the listing price. I don't even have circulation, but I think I see where the voucher, the voucher has been making waves on. Is it Magic Eden? The PAWS Airdrop pre-market voucher. The thing goes to like 0.3 Solano. Like 0.3 Solano coin. And that makes sense. But consider the token now. I don't know if we can see, like, even if it is 1 cent. Let's see. Can we see 1 cent from PAWS? Do you guys think we can get 1 cent for PAWS? Even 1 cent is not USDC. 1 cent is just like peanuts. I don't know. But anyways, if they can do like 5 cents and above, it will make sense. So what do you guys think? Are you claiming to CX, or you are claiming to you are going to be waiting to you see, do you have a Bybit account? If I click on yes, I do, they'll ask for my Bybit UID and deposit address. Then I click on continue. So if you are claiming to CX to Bybit, what you need to do here is to submit your Bybit UID and your Bybit deposit address. You go to Bybit exchange, you search for PAWS, then you copy the deposit address and paste it here. Search for PAWS. Do not just copy any deposit address. Search for PAWS. Click on deposit on Bybit, then search PAWS and paste the address here. Then your UID. Go to your profile on Bybit exchange. Copy the UID. Copy the PAWS deposit address. Then paste and continue. So for myself, I'm contemplating, because maybe I should just wait till they list. Let's see what the price will be, so that we know we don't just use all the token for gas fee. Yeah, because 3% is, well, let's see. So this is the update about the PAWS Airdrop. I'll be waiting till they list actually. I don't mind using Solana to claim, or I might change my mind in between. I've just told you how to deposit to Bybit. So whichever decision you want to make, then I will leave you to be the judge of that. I've given you the procedure on how to deposit to Bybit. Same procedure if you are depositing to Bitget exchange. Come here, come to the TGE dashboard, then calculate, proceed, and select Bitget. If you click on claim now, you click on have confirmed, then this, then you select Bitget. Same thing, same procedure. Either you deposit to Bybit or you deposit to Bitget exchange. Whichever exchange you want to deposit to is fine. So for myself, I'll think about it later, consider the 3% withdrawal fee. So guys, this is the update about the PAWS claiming to exchanges, to CX. And also take note of the Privasea go to TGE task on Intract. So if you participate in the previous one on the app, make sure you complete this to earn additional token. Check the link to participate on this one in the description box of this video. Also join my Telegram community, guys, so you don't miss out on any of my updates at all. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell, and you'll be notified of every of my updates back to back. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.